1994 GMC 1500. Factory catalytic converter there. Then what we got put on it, he wanted loud and he wanted to hear it. So we're like, okay. So we put him a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430S. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe out the side into a double tip. So that's something different, something cool. I like it right there. He's heard a couple of our videos with the side pipe, and this actually really gives it a really nice deep tone, makes it sound good. So that's what we did for him. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe so you can watch some more content. And we keep bringing you content. There'll be a link in the description for everything, from the FLOWMASTER Outlaw to the tip and everything. If we can find the tip, we'll put your link in the description for it. Side bar. What do you think? You like it? And it is a Sierra, but it's a V6 SLE. That's why we put the Outlaw on it. It makes it sound like an E8. Do the sound decibels, go ahead. Wow, 107, that's not bad at all. What do you guys think? Let us know. Hope you guys like it. GMC Sierra 1595 V6 with side pipes.